Welcome to another episode on Honk. You gotta go quickly, because there's a car coming this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Oh, look, there's another car. I did not see that coming. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again! Failure! What? Wait. We got one more car coming, yes? I think that's one more car coming down that way. We'll try to do it without the dance this time. We kind of look kind of gay with our dance, so we'll just try to do it just using sign honk. Again! They didn't honk. Join us again next time for honk.